I used to struggle with constipation, but Sakekasu changed my life. Hi guys, I'm Mana. I specialize in cooking with Sakekasu. Today, I want to share my story about Sakekasu because you might be wondering why I cook with it. I started incorporating it into my routine because of my grandparent. My grandfather is 103 and my grandmother is 94. They are all fit and live independently in Tokyo. One day, I found myself wondering, why are they so fit? Of course, there are many reasons behind their longevity, but I truly believe that what they eat every day plays a big part. Now you can guess what they eat every day. It's Sakekasu. They add it into miso soup every day. I vaguely knew Sakekasu was healthy because it's fermented food, but I underestimated its potential. After doing my own research and learning about its amazing health benefits, I decided to try using it in my cooking. Since then, I've enjoyed experimenting with Sakekasu. It always creates unexpected flavor combinations and adds dips to my meals. Once I added Sakekasu and regular exercise to my lifestyle, I noticed that my constipation gradually disappeared. And I also noticed that my skin condition also got improved. The great thing about Sakekasu is that it not only enhances the taste of your meal, but also nourishes your body with protein, prebiotics, B vitamins, amino acid, folate, and zinc. If you're curious about this Japanese fermented food, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my episodes. Now we will make healthy, delicious meal with Sakekasu that you never tried. So let's get started. I came up with this idea when I visited Portland last November. I went to a healthy restaurant and tried it for the first time. I loved it. One of my unforgettable memories from the trip was talking with Chef Aaron from Austria. He creates amazing meals using both classic and modern techniques with an emphasis on fermentation. We talked about possibilities of Sakekasu as well. As for cauliflower steak, I wanted to put my own twist on it, so after returning to Japan, I experimented a lot in the kitchen. And now, I'm finally ready to share it with you. Gut-friendly version of cauliflower steak. Here are all the ingredients. Add Sakekasu, miso, mirin, grated garlic, oil, in a bowl and mix them all together. Mix them until it becomes paste like this. Now let's cut cauliflower into slices. If you can't cut some of them nicely, don't worry. You can use them later in another way. Just keep them for that. Now it's time for some fun. Let's add sauce to the cauliflower. Make sure to spread the sauce over the cauliflower. What makes this recipe unique is that it's packed with prebiotics and probiotics because soy sauce, miso, mirin, and sakekasu are all fermented foods. Sprinkle with parsley. Now it's time for roasting. Here you go, cauliflower steak with crispy, savory umami heaven. Time for tasting. So delicious! Now let's boil the cauliflower we set aside. After placing the cauliflower in the dish, add the sauce. Now what we do is just add rice vinegar to the sauce. Here, another meal. By boiling cauliflower and adding rice vinegar to the sauce, we could have another meal for refreshing your stomach. It's another tasting. It tastes simple, but it does taste so good. Let me know in the comment if you'd try this and like it. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more experimenting with Sakekasu. See you next time!